Hello friends, my name is Siddharth. So today we will discuss about some more examples on exponents. Questions based on laws of the last lecture we have discussed about all the laws of exponents, about the exponents and the theory of exponents, about how to solve the different types of problems. Now the first kind of problem is question number 1. If 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 11 is equals to 5 upon 3 raised to the power 8x. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now to start with these type of problems, first of all check whether the base is the same or not. Since in this type of problems, start with, it is given that base is same, 5 upon 3 and 5 upon 3 is the base and the powers are minus 5 and minus 11. So according to the first law of exponent, when base is same, x to the power m multiplied by x to the power n is equals to x to the power mn, implies that it is given that base is same, which is 5 upon 3, so x is equals to 5 upon 3 and powers are, in the first case power is minus 5 and n is minus 11. So to start with, it is given that base is same, so 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus minus 11 is equals to 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 8x. So implies that when the powers gets added, in the case of when the base is same, 5 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus into minus gives you the answer as minus 5 minus 11 is equals to 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 8x. Now see, when base is same on the either side of LHS and RHS, base is same on the either sides of LHS and RHS, on LHS is equals to RHS, implies that powers get equal. In this case, base is 5 upon 3, which is the same on both the sides. So the powers get equal, implies that minus 5 minus 11 is equals to 8x. Now this term minus 5 minus 11 gives you the answer as minus 60 equals to 8x. X is equals to minus 16 divided by 8 gives you the answer as minus 2. So you can check that. First of all, we will see whether the base is same or not. If the base is same, always add the powers of the base. In this case, the base was 5 upon 3. So powers get added. Minus 5 plus into minus 11 gives you the answer as 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 16. So in the second case, 5 upon 3 raised to the power 8x, when the base is same on the either side, always equals the power minus 16 is equals to 8x, implies that answer is minus 2. Now moving to the second type of question. Question number 2 is 6 raised to the power minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 1. The whole bracket is in minus 1 power. Find the value of this expression. Now, first of all, to start with, as I told you in the earlier class, according to law of inverse says that x raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 by x, implies that 6 raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by 6. Now 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 upon 3 raised to the power 1, implies that 3 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 1 equals to 2 upon 3, and the whole power gets in the positive sign plus 1, implies that 1 by 6 plus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1 is the required expression which we get after solving this whole expression. 6 raised to power minus 1 plus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1, and the whole power is minus 1. So we can see that 6 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6, and 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 by 3, and the power gets the opposite sign. In this case, if the power was having plus 1 sign, then automatically 2 by 3 will get the sign of minus 1, but 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 gives you a sign as plus 1, implies that we will add both these terms. Now moving on to the next step implies that we will add both the expressions. The expression was 1 by 6 plus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1 gives you the answer as 1 by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1. Will take the LCM as 6. LCM is coming as 6. We will add these terms. 1 plus 2 into 2 gives you 4 raised to the power minus 1, implies that the answer is coming as 5 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 1. This 1 plus 4 gives you the answer as 5 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 1. When we will change this minus 1 power to the plus 1 power, we will reciprocal the term 5 by 6 to 6 by 5, and the answer will be coming as 6 by 5 raised to the power plus 1 equals to, the answer is coming as 6 divided by 5. So you can check that whether the answers are coming in the different form or not. If the power is coming as in the form of minus 1 power, always check that whether the power should be reversed or not. Now moving to the next question. Question number 3 is 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 2 is equals to 32. Now to start this type of problem, first of all check that 8 into 2. Now this 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 2 is equals to 32. Now 2 raised to the power 3, the base is same, as I told you earlier also. When the base is same, always add the powers in the base, gives you the answer as 3 plus n plus 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power 5, implies that 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 gives you 5 plus n is equals to 2 raised to the power 5. As I told you in the earlier question also, when the powers are same on the LHS and RHS side, gives you the answer as 5 plus n is equals to 5, implies that n is equals to 0. So you can check that whether the powers are coming equal or not when the base is same on both the sides. Now moving to the next type of question is question number 4. Question number 4 is find the value of m so that minus 3 raised to the power m plus 1 multiplied with minus 3 raised to the power 5 is equals to minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now you can see that the value of base is same, which is minus 3, just the powers are different. So according to the first law of exponent, when base is same, though then the powers get added, implies that minus 3 raised to the power m plus 1 plus 5 is equals to minus 3 raised to the power 7, implies that m plus 6 is equals to 7, m equals to 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Now you can see that on both the sides it is LHS equals to RHS. In LHS side base is minus 3, in the same case as RHS side having also the base is minus 3, implies that when the bases are same, we will always check that whether the base is same. If the base is same on the other side of the equals to sign, then powers get equal. M plus 1 plus 5 equals to power of 7 gives you the answer. Now moving to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is if P upon Q is equals to 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 6 by 7 raised to the power 0. Find the value of Q by P raised to the power 2. Now as I told you in the earlier class also, when the power gets equals to 0, then the expression becomes equals to 1. For example, if I take for example 1000 or 10,000 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1, the condition is base should not be equals to 0. This is the only condition, and anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. So it is given that P divided by Q is equals to 2 upon 3 whole square divided by P by Q, or 6 by 7. You can take anything you like. It is given as 6 by 7 raised to the power 0. Now this 6 by 7 raised to the power 0 term is becoming as 1. So implies that P divided by Q is equals to 4 upon 9 divided by 1, because anything raised to the power 0 is 1, implies that P divided by Q is equals to 4 by 9. Now we are asked to find the power of Q divided by P raised to the power 2, implies that Q by P becomes 9 by 4, and the whole square gives you the answer as 81 divided by 16, which is your answer. Now you can see that After finding p by q is equals to 2 raised to the power square divided by 3 raised to the power square divided by 6 divided by 7 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 gives you the answer as 1. We will find that p divided by q is equals to 4 by 9. Now we are required to find q by p. Then q by p is the reciprocal of p by q form. This equals to q by p is 9 by 4, and to find the whole square of q by p, we will find the whole square of 9 by 4, which will give you the answer as 81 upon 16. Now moving to the next type of question. Question number 7. The question is value of -1 divided by 3 raised to the power -2 raised to the power -2 multiplied by 2 upon 3 raised to the power whole square multiplied with -2 divided by 3 by 2 raised to the power -1, the whole power is -2. Now we are required to find the value of this expression. As I told you earlier, x raised to the power m raised to the power n gives you the answer as x raised to the power mn, which is equals to -1 divided by 3 raised to the power -2 multiplied with 2 multiply by the same law applies in this second term also. X raised to the power 2 and the whole bracket is raised to the power -2 gives you the answer as 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied with -2 divided by the term is 3 divided by 2 raised to the power -1 multiplied with -2. Now to start with, -1 divided by 3 whole raised to the power +4 cos -2 multiplied with -2 gives you the answer as +4. Similarly, multiplied with 2 divided by 3 raised to the power -4 divided by 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 implies that when solving this expression, -1 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied with 2 raised to the power -4, 3 raised to the power -4 multiplied by 2 whole square divided by 3 whole square. Now to start with, -1 raised to the power 4 gives you answer as 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 4 multiplied with 2 raised to the power square divided by 3 raised to the power square. Now after cross multiplication we get 3 raised to the power 4 is divided by 3 raised to the power square gives you answer as 3 raised to the power square. Once again 2 raised to the power 4 is divided by 2 raised to the power 2 gives you answer as 2 raised to the power 2. So the answer is coming as 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 2, and the answer is 1 upon 9 into 4. The answer is coming is 1 divided by 36. Now we'll again check this question is minus 1 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 gives you the answer as minus 1 whole raised to the power plus 4. In the second term, 2 divided by 3 whole raised to the power 2 multiplied with minus 2 gives you the answer as minus 4. Similarly, in the third term, 3 divided by 2 whole raised to the power square gives you the answer as 9 upon 4. After solving this expression, we will get minus 1 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. In the second expression, when we will reciprocal the number, we will get 3 divided by 2 and the power in the negative form gets converted into positive form. We will get 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 4 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2. After solving this whole expression, we will get the answer as 1 upon 36. Thank you, students. In the next class, we will discuss about the theory of algebraic expressions. Thank you.